Welcome to Hong Kong. This is our first full day in Hong Kong, and we are starting with one of the best activities that you can be doing in Hong Kong, which is eating.
I got the signature wonton noodles. It's got the noodles, the wonton with shrimp in it, and it's got the signature. Because I draw like this, that's the signature. These are like, the noodles seem to be like never ending. You try and break it off and it doesn't break off. And you just gotta keep slurping it up. And the noodles are good. This wonton is kind of cool because it's like it's like got it like a jellyfish tail on it. It looks like a jellyfish, honestly. I'm still working on the chopstick skills. I've been working for a long time, but it's still a little wiggly. Noodles aren't too bad with the chopsticks. Spoke too soon.
We're right near the central escalator system, so we're about to walk over there. I think this is like the longest escalator, I don't think single escalator, but like escalator system or something in the world. It was built in like the 90s and it's over 2,000 feet.
So I guess we gotta take the stairs before we can get to the escalator.
Alright, we are on the longest escalator system or something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Longest covered? Maybe it's the longest covered escalator in the world. I think
But
that.
it said
I think
system.
that's.
Like, so I don't think it's just one, like the longest escalator. I think it's like escalator system where it goes like separate ones, maybe. I don't know.
It is very orderly though, because if you stand on the right. If you walk on the left. You see it all the way down. This was a little anticlimactic, I guess.
Maybe there's more. I don't know. Yes, here's another one.
Yeah, these are actually stairs, not just flat.
I have no idea where we're going.
What escalator is this, number 6? Yeah. I guess I thought it would be continuous, but it's not continuous. But it makes a lot more sense that it's not continuous because then you can just.
And you couldn't get off.
Yeah.
We made it to the top. We came all the way to the top of the escalators. We thought that maybe there would be a nice view, like right when you get off the escalators. There is not. You can take the tram. It said it's a 25-minute walk to the tram that goes up to the peak, but I don't think we're gonna do that right now. We really just wanted to check out what was at the top of the escalators. So now we are going to make the very, very, very long walk back down the stairs. Ben is a huge Star Wars fan.
Got Darth
so.
Vader with the AT walker. That's a cool picture.
Number one site in Hong Kong
Yeah,
for
this
you.
is the best thing seen in Hong Kong. I'm good, we can go. We can go now, I'm done.
So while we're sitting here, we're gonna do like rapid fire Hong Kong first impressions. Ready, go.
Clean, pricey, and worth it? I don't know. Worth it, I'll say.
Worth what?
Worth the priciness.
Okay, that's a good first impression.
You do the same.
You're asking me the same question?
Yeah. First three things that come to mind.
My brain's just empty. Dense? Well, I feel like I'm trying to think of different ones than what you said.
You can say the same.
Dense, food that smells really good, and surprising? Surprising? Is that like a fair one?
Yeah.
This is some of the funniest traffic that I've ever seen because there's so much traffic, but it's not traffic from cars. It's from the double-decker buses and the trams.
Yeah, the double-decker train. I've never seen a double-decker.
Oh yeah, double-decker trams and double-decker buses.
Double-decker tram before. That is so cool.
Got the double-decker.
Yeah, double-decker. Double squared. One of the things that you have to do when you're in any Asian city is go see the mall. So we're about to go to the IFC mall here. I think it's nice. I think it's supposed to be nice. It's supposed to be one of the nicest malls here. You ready for our mall trip?
Yeah, we never buy anything.
We're probably not gonna buy anything.
Okay, everything in here is designer. I don't think we can afford anything in here, so we're gonna leave and go see what else we can find.
Somewhere a little less expensive.
Yeah, this is this is not in our price range.
Wait.
Yeah, nice mall, but not the one for us. We are headed over to a dim sum restaurant right now, which feels really funny because I feel like any dim sum restaurant that we've been to, they normally close at like 11 a.m. or noon, I think, like where it's a breakfast thing. But here, all the dim sum restaurants are open late. It's like 8 o'clock right now, and we are going for some dim sum. I don't know why I said it like that.
These are the shrimp and crab. Shrimp crab. I don't know what this is called. And then these are the barbecue buns. And then we got the custard buns. And we're still waiting on the. What was the other thing we got? Some rice.
Rice rolls.
Rice rolls. Yeah. Oh, wait, that's the spring roll wrapped rice roll. That one's good. I think it's got the pork and the crab and the shrimp.
Thank you. most excited about.
This is it's supposed to be crispy pork barbecue. I was using my chopsticks, but I just switched them. It's like a cornbread on the outside. And it's got the barbecue beef on the inside. That bread is good. Like hot. Almost like a Hot Pocket. Except a little better than a Hot Pocket.
A lot better, I would say.
It's sweet too. It's a sweet barbecue. Like that one. My spring roll fell apart a little bit, but this one's good and it's crunchy. It's got the crunch.
Those spring rolls wrapped in the rice roll just changed my life. Oh my gosh, one of the best things that I have ever eaten. We're walking over towards the water now. We're gonna try and see if we can take the ferry, but I'm not sure if it is too late. I don't know what time it stops, but we haven't done that yet, so we're gonna give it a try. Officially walked 16,000 steps, so I think that we are going to call it quits for the day. We had an amazing first day exploring Hong Kong. We can't wait to see more. We hope that you liked this video, and we hope to see you in the next one.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So cringe.
Custard bun shot out. Looks like an egg bun.
Whoa.
Difficult.
It's like dripping out.
Got like all of my face.
You don't actually.
Oh no. Felt like I did. I feel like this is one, like those soup dumplings that you gotta suck the custard out. It's good, that bun's good. Bun's fluffy.